Hey there, fellow gamers. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of the neuroscience of gaming and addiction. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, we've all experienced that intense rush of excitement and pleasure when we finally achieve that high score or beat that challenging boss. But have you ever stopped to wonder why games can be so addictive? How do they affect our brain and behavior? In this video, we'll be answering these questions and more, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. To understand why gaming can be addictive, we first need to understand the science of addiction. Addiction is a complex condition that affects the brain's reward and motivation systems. When we engage in activities that we find rewarding or pleasurable, such as playing games, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine. This neurotransmitter is responsible for feelings of pleasure, satisfaction, and motivation. In short, dopamine is the feel-good chemical that keeps us coming back for more. However, when we engage in these activities repeatedly, our brain starts to adapt to the increased dopamine levels. This means that we need more and more of the activity to experience the same level of pleasure and satisfaction. This is known as tolerance, and it's a hallmark of addiction. Another important aspect of addiction is the role of cue-induced cravings. These are triggers or reminders that activate the reward pathways in our brain and increase our desire to engage in the addictive behavior. In the case of gaming, this could be something as simple as seeing the game icon on our screen or hearing the game's music. So, how does gaming affect our brain and behavior? First, let's talk about the positive effects. Studies have shown that playing games can improve cognitive function, including attention, memory, and decision-making. This is because games often require us to think strategically, solve puzzles, and make quick decisions under pressure. However, gaming can also have negative effects, especially when it comes to addiction. One study found that excessive gaming can lead to structural changes in the brain, particularly in the regions responsible for reward processing and decision-making. These changes can make it harder for individuals to control their impulses and make rational decisions, leading to addictive behavior. So, how do we know when gaming has become an addiction? The World Health Organization has classified gaming disorder as a mental health condition, characterized by impaired control over gaming, increasing priority given to gaming over other activities, and continuation or escalation of gaming despite negative consequences. Some of the signs of gaming addiction include neglecting responsibilities, such as school or work, withdrawing from social activities, experiencing withdrawal symptoms when unable to play, and continuing to play despite negative consequences, such as relationship problems or financial difficulties. While gaming addiction can be a serious problem, there are ways to enjoy games in a healthy and balanced way. Here are some tips. 1. Set limits on your gaming time and stick to them. 2. Take regular breaks and engage in other activities, such as exercise or socializing. 3. Be mindful of cue-induced cravings and try to avoid triggers that lead to excessive gaming. 4. Seek help if you think you or a loved one may have a gaming addiction. So, there you have it, the fascinating world of the neuroscience of gaming and addiction. While gaming can be a fun and rewarding activity, it's important to be aware of its potential for addiction and take steps to maintain healthy gaming habits. By understanding the science of addiction and the effects of gaming on the brain, we can make informed decisions and enjoy games in a way that enhances our lives rather than detracts from them. If you or someone you know is struggling with gaming addiction, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional or addiction specialist. Remember, addiction is a treatable condition, and with the right support and resources, recovery is possible. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the intersection of science and gaming. Until next time, keep gaming and keep learning.